Welcome back to another Klutch demo. In this demo, we'll show you how your application cluster can use a database provision to Klutch. We start off on our application cluster, which is already connected to Klutch and already has an instance of Postgres provisioned. The next step is to create a service binding. This will create a user inside of the database and pass the relevant information back to the application cluster. Let's create a service binding. As usual, it's Kubernetes object. In the spec, we reference the Postgres instance that we just created, which is this one down here. And by applying this, the service binding will get created on the control plane. Let's apply it. Was created. It was synced. So now I expect a secret containing some information. As you can see, it was just created right here. Let's see what it contains. As you can see, my secret contains information that I need to connect to the database. We have the username, the password, the database name. So now equipped with that, I have everything that I need for my application to work. Let's look at our application. This is a very simple application for blog posts. That is just an example. Let's look here a bit. It's just a deployment and a service. And the important thing is that we configure this application with the information that we got from Klutch, which is our service binding, for example, the password and the username, and also the host, which comes from the Postgres config map. That's all we need for application. So let's apply it. And it's up and running. Let's take a look. Let me open my browser. And this is our little application. It's a simple blog post app. I can create a blog post. I create one. And now my blog post is persisted on the database. And that's it.